Hello. In this lesson, we are going to look at the act as technique. Okay? The act as technique in prompt engineering involves instructing ChatGPT to adopt specific role, perspective, or character. This can particularly be useful for simulating conversation, generating content that requires a specific tone or expertise by providing insights from a certain viewpoint. Okay? So I want a question to be answered. I want to get responses, but I want it to be given to me in a certain viewpoint, okay, in a certain context, in a certain light, with certain expertise. Then I will use the technique act as, and then when the answer is given, ChatGPT will take up that role, will take up that character, and give me the response from that expertise. And this tool is very useful. Okay, it can act as a digital marketer, it can act as a coach, a career coach, it can act as a lawyer, it can act as anything that you want. Let's get into ChatGPT and let's see how we can apply this technique. Okay, here I'm taking the role as a digital marketing strategist. Okay, so let's look at the prompt. Act as a digital marketing strategist for a real estate developer. Outline a digital marketing plan that focuses on promoting sustainable and eco-friendly residential projects to potential buyers, emphasizing social media and content marketing strategies. You get it? So the scenario is this, the context is this, that I am a digital marketing strategist for a real estate developer. And I want to outline a marketing plan, but I want to focus on promoting sustainable and eco-friendly residential buildings, which we are building anyway, to potential buyers. I want the plan to emphasize on social media and content marketing strategy. Okay, let me send this input and let's look at the output. First, it says, creating a digital marketing plan for promoting sustainable, eco-friendly residential projects involves multifaceted approach that emphasizing the unique value proposition for living in green environment. The plan should target eco-friendly, conscious buyers who value sustainability, energy efficiency, and healthier living space. Here's an outline that focuses on leveraging social media and content creation. So one, understanding the target audience. Look at the demographics, look at the psychographics as well. Then the goal, increase awareness, lead generation, engagement. Social media strategy, platform selection. You have to select your platform you're going to use, whether it's going to be Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Pinterest. And then the content mix. What is going to be your theme for it? So are you going to focus on educational content or behind the scene content or testimonials or live Q&A questions? You also have to think about your hashtags you're going to use. Okay, so then you now come to the content marketing area, SEO, paid advertising, and look, these are fantastic stuff. But you see, I asked it to act as a digital marketing strategist. So it is giving me the response as an expert. If I had asked this question by eliminating the digital marketing strategies, it would have given me a generic answer. So you can use the act as to also get the kind of response that you want.
For immediate access to the full course and to start transforming your skills today, click the link in the description below and enroll now or visit online.mycabsolutions.com.